students, welcome to Miss Jimmy's class. Today we will learn about procedure text. Anyone of you, have you ever read the food receipt? Or have you ever watched the tutorial guide? Or have you ever read the guidelines or tutorial books? Yeah, that is the procedure text that we will learn today.
So, let's get started!
Procedure text is a type of text that is written to explain how to do something. It is a step-by-step explanation of a process or a set of instructions for completing a specific task. It is used in many contexts, such as manuals, recipes, scientific experiments, or instructions for assembling products.
The aim of procedure text is to inform the readers about how to do something and show how something is made, used, or done through a sequence of steps.
Usually, the text starts with the words how to, for example, how to operate or how to make. Next, we move to the language features of procedure text. First, it used the simple present tense because we do something at that time or right now. The second, it used imperative sentence. For example, cut all the fruits into cubes. The third, it used action verb. For example, mix, blend, read it, etc. The fourth, it used conjunction. For example, first, second, after that, then, finally, last, etc. The last, it uses adverb. It can be adverb of time, for example, in 5 minutes, for an hour, and it can be adverb of manner. For example, slowly, fastly, rapidly, powerfully, etc. Finally, we move to the generic structures of procedure text. The first is aim or goal. It contains the purpose of how to make something. Example, today we will make the fruit salad. The second generic structure is steps or methods. This section contains the steps taken to achieve the objectives of the procedure text. For example, first, wash the fruits. The last of generic structure is ingredients or materials. The ingredients is useful for explaining what ingredients used to make something in the procedure text. For example, the ingredients to make fruit salad are sweetened condensed milk, mayonnaise, cheese, fruits, and jelly. Okay, there are so many types of procedure text, but now we will learn how to make food recipe.
So, in this video, we will learn how to make fruit salad. Before we start to make fruit salad, first we should know the recipe. Next, we continue to the method. Step 1. Split the melon and avocado, then peel the skin. Cut all the fruits into cubes. Fry the jelly, cut it into 1 cm cubes. Mix the jelly and fruits in 1 container. The next step is mixed mayo and sweetened condensed milk. Stir well. Blend all the ingredients. The last step, grate cheese and sprinkle it as the topping. So the fruit salad is ready to serve. So how was the learning? Is it fun? So now I will divide you into some groups. Then I want you to make some products for your assignment. Each group can choose whatever the topic they want regarding to
the procedure tag. It can be tutorial, food recipe, etc. And now I will introduce you one application that you can use to design your product, that is Canva.
Canva is an online graphic designing tool with several functions and features that even beginners can use. It will be very helpful to help you level up your design skill. There are so many templates you can choose and some beautiful design to help you to create a beautiful design. You can choose some elements and drag the text as you want. Well, do you understand? Thank you for joining my fun class and see you next week. Bye bye!